Appearing by special appearance
What does that mean?
on behalf of the named defendant, waive no rights.
Who are you?
I'm appearing by special appearance on behalf of the named defendant, Jessica Robles.
You're not Miss Robles?
I'm on behalf of the named defendant.
So if you're not her, then I don't want to talk to you.
I reserve.
All right, this is case 260403. This is People versus Jessica Robles. Go ahead. Ms. Robles, how are you?
Appearing by special appearance
What does that mean?
on behalf of the named defendant, waive no rights.
Who are you?
I'm appearing by special appearance on behalf of the named defendant, Jessica Robles.
You're not Miss Robles?
I'm on behalf of the named defendant.
So if you're not her, then I don't want to talk to you.
I reserve all rights, waive none.
Sure. But if you're not Miss Robles, you don't have any reason to be in front. It's Jessica Robles is who I'm looking for.
Yes, sir.
Looks like she is somebody that's not properly in front of the court, so you can return her back to the locker until we have the correct person in front of me. Mr. Schuttenbauer, which case are you here on?
Robles, Jessica Robles.
Was that her?
I don't think so.
So what's your role on the case?
Well, I'm a prosecutor. This is basically a status conference. We have our own criminal charges against her.
Does she have an attorney appointed to her?
Boy,
She's assistance of the public defender office at arraignment, Your Honor. I spoke with her before her PCC, and she also declined.
Coming through one of the microphones. I'm not sure how well you're being picked up.
Just for the record, David Capelli, assistant public defender. Ms. Robles declined assistance from the public defender's office at her arraignment based on our notes. I spoke with her on the day of her PCC about the extradition, and she again declined representation.
She doesn't have to have a lawyer.
Right.
So we could do that without her having it, but that was her that I was just talking to?
That was the person that I spoke to earlier, yes. I didn't do the arraignment, so I can't verify whether she was present for the arraignment, but the notes in our system did indicate a similar type introduction.
So she's one of those anti-government people?
That I can't speak to, Your Honor.
So that was Ms. Robles? You already sent her back?
I was gonna come back and make sure after the fact we do.
Yeah, well, now that I'm discussing this with the guys, it sounds like she's somebody that is an anti-government type of individual.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was before the court on a status conference? Is that what it was?
Yes, as Mr. Schrotenbauer indicated, the prosecutor's office has their own felony charges on Ms. Robles. I think she was at that day at least represented by Stephen Milks from our office. I had an opportunity to talk to her about the extradition file prior to that hearing.
So it's a different jurisdiction is looking for her to be returned?
Yes, that's correct.
On Mr. Milk's file with her, is she cooperating with him?
I have not had a chance to talk with Mr. Milks about her cooperation on his file.
Do you have a number for him?
I can go look it up in our system.
Why don't you do that? And before you take her back, let's see if there's some sort of word game I'm supposed to be playing with her so that she'll cooperate.
I'll be right back, sir.
okay. Just to let the court know, she is scheduled for her preliminary examination in Your Honor's court 1 week from today.
So I had the privilege of conducting her pre-exam conference as well. I mean, her pre-exam.
Well, I don't think this is a pre-exam conference.
I'm talking about next week.
Oh, next week. I thought it was the preliminary. Yeah, the preliminary examination itself. Yes, next week.
Okay. Probably the thing for us to do is to just adjourn today's proceeding until Tuesday next week and see if she's in a better mood to talk to us at that point.
Well,
Okay.
I'd be asking for an adjournment anyway, so I have no problem with that.
So this matter is adjourned until next Tuesday. Is that going to give you enough time, Mr. Schroeder?
Well, yes, yeah, easily.
Okay. So that's what we'll do. We'll just adjourn this until next week on Tuesday. And did she say why she didn't want you to represent her, but she wants Mr. Milks to represent her?
It was unclear. I didn't have a lot of opportunity to speak with Mr. Milks as he was kind of running around like crazy that morning. My conversation with him seemed to indicate that she was comfortable with him, but didn't want any representation on the extradition.
Why don't we do this? Let's see if we can have him represent her on both matters.
Okay, he's certainly capable. I will give him a call and see. Ultimately, though, it would be up to Ms. Robles.
Yeah, it would be. All right. So let's just adjourn this for consideration of having an opportunity to speak with Mr. Milks and to see if she'll let him perform his duties for her. Let's do that. Okay. So this will be adjourned until next Tuesday. That date would be, today's the 7th, so that'd be the 14th.
Yes.
So that would be scheduled at 9:30 though, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, then that's going to be all for that matter. You can take her back.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
tell her what I just decided and see if she responds, but
Courtrooms are often arenas of high tension, but few dynamics test judicial patience quite like defendants who refuse to cooperate or recognize the authority of the court. In Case 260403, People v. Jessica Robles, proceedings took a frustrating turn during what should have been a standard status conference regarding felony charges and an out-of-state extradition. When the defendant, Jessica Robles, appeared before the bench, she immediately deployed classic sovereign citizen tactics. Through a representative making a so-called special appearance, she attempted to bypass standard procedure, refusing to properly identify herself or acknowledge the court's jurisdiction. Judge and counsel alike quickly realized they were dealing with an uncooperative individual who rejected legal representation for her extradition matters. Despite facing serious criminal charges, the prosecution, represented by Mr. Schroeder, maintained that felony charges were active and moving forward, while the public defender's office, represented by David Capelli, clarified that Robles had previously declined counsel at her arraignment. However, notes indicated a convoluted history. While she resisted representation on the extradition file, there was vague indication she might be somewhat comfortable speaking with another public defender, Mr. Mills. Recognizing the procedural gridlock, the judge opted for pragmatism over punishment. Rather than forcing a chaotic hearing with an uncooperative defendant, the judge ordered the proceedings adjourned until the following Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. This delay was granted to allow counsel time to contact Mr. Mills and determine if he could bridge the gap, representing Robles on both the pending local charges and the interstate extradition. While legal systems must protect a defendant's rights, this case highlights the delicate balance judges must maintain when individuals attempt to obstruct justice through procedural gamesmanship. What are your thoughts on how the court handled this defendant's refusal to cooperate? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown insightful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into real courtroom proceedings.